Hey everyone, ever wonder how some people seem to grow their money without working extra hours? The secret isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, it's investing. Think of it like planting a money tree. You start with a small seed, your initial investment, and over time, with a little patience and care, it can grow into something much bigger. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing sounds complicated and risky, and you're right to be cautious, but it's more accessible than ever before. You don't need a fortune to start. You can begin with small, regular contributions. The key is to do your research, understand your options, and think long term. Instead of just saving your money, you're putting it to work for you, letting it grow and compound over time. It's a powerful way to build wealth and work towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.